2012 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates. The Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, airbags, power steering, 6-way power driver seat, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, keyless go, security package, power locks, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, trip computer, remote keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, center console, brake park interlock, traction control system, brake assist. Come see the car for yourself.